so much better than mine. I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your